Which of the following actions can both a Domino.doc administrator and a file cabinet creator carry out? Option A. Delete a file cabinet. Option B. Create a document type. Option C. Change the system profile. Option D. Manage security for all file cabinets. The correct answer is option B. In a standard installation, in which one of the following templates can Lisa find the script library where custom code can be added to run when a document or binder is checked out? Option A. ddm.ntf. Option B. domdoc.ntf. Option C. filecab.ntf. Option D. docstat.ntf. The correct answer is option C. Which one of the following is the size limit for a single Domino.doc file cabinet? Option A. 5,000 documents. Option B. Unlimited, up to the limitations of the storage medium. Option C. Any number of documents, as long as their combined size is less than 1 GB. Option D. Any number of documents, as long as their combined size is less than 4 GB. The correct answer is option B. Dale, a system administrator, wants to enable searching on document content within the Project X file cabinet. Which one of the following actions will accomplish this? Option A. Nothing. Full text indexing is enabled by default. Option B. Set up full text indexing, with the index attachments option selected, on the file cabinet. Option C. Set up full text indexing, with the index attachments option selected, on the binder database associated with the file cabinet. Option D. Set up full text indexing, with the index attachments option selected, on the file cabinet template. Then, run the design process on the server. The correct answer is option B.